Hey guys, super excited. I am here touring all the models that they have open here at Toll Brothers at Everrange. Now, Toll Brothers decided, hey, you know what? We're gonna jump into the over 55 game. And it's a place where you come to live, where you don't come to die, right? Because they actually called me and interviewed me. They had me to come down for 4 hours to say, hey Gail, what do people your age like to do? I don't know if I should take that as a compliment or an insult. I was like, wait a minute, how do you know about my age? No, I don't care, you never hide that, or my weight. Well, maybe my weight. But in any case, I'm Gail DeMarco. So if you haven't been to my channel before, you know, I appreciate you guys just checking in. I appreciate you checking out the content. If you like it, it would be great to subscribe. I am trying to get my numbers up so I can prove my husband wrong. That is the truth. He thinks I just love looking at myself. I don't. I'm trying to hold this really far away from me. I'm not putting a wide angle on anymore, and I'll tell you why. Because I hate those bowed doorways when you have a wide angle lens. So I help people all day long, just like you, who are thinking, you know, should I check out Northeast Florida? Kind of cold up here in New York, or, you know, California's a little crazy. We need to get out of there. Why does everyone like Florida? Well, you know, there's a huge difference, people, between North Florida and South Florida. So when I tell you we live in a little bubble here and homes don't sit, they sell. So right here, I'm at Toll Brothers. It's called the Everrange community. This particular community is called the Regency. So they're only building 132 homes. It's 1,000 acres master plan community. And you get, if you decide to buy in here, you get the opportunity to use all the amenity centers, you know, not just the ones here for us old folk that don't like kids, right? No, I love kids. I got 6 grandkids. That's why I go to Jersey when I want to see them, you know, or when they come here, I try to hide them in my backyard. But I don't want to like have them running around, because I would be just screaming at them, Lorenzo, stop beating up Giovanni. It would be one of those days all the time. I'll tell you, I really love the seclusion and the peaceful and the quietness of these over 55 communities. But until now, you know, I've thought about Del Webb, but until now, when I'm taking a really deep dive and looking at these communities, because my YouTube buyers, you guys have told me, go out there. What do you know about that community? Well, they just opened up February 4th. So this is my first opportunity where they would let me in here. They're doing their VIP thing right now. When I think of Toll Brothers, I think of a luxury builder, right? Like just opening the doors. Like when I bring you out there, just the doors, they're like double the doors of some of these other builders. So let's go take a look. I happen to be in the model called the Avina. It starts at 638 and it goes up to 650, depending on the elevation. We have a 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3-car garage, 1 story. Everything's 1 story in here, which basically means you get a 50-foot lot or you get a 60-foot lot. I happen to be on a 60-foot lot. I think that's just big enough. And this one is 2543 square feet. So let's go take a look. I'm gonna turn it around and I'll tell you my favorite things when we're done. I gotta take my shoes off. All right, my first impression is I love me a wide entry. I hate dark, skinny, narrow entries. I like a wow factor when you walk into a house. That's why these lot premiums are killer right now, only 20 and 30,000. Okay, so to the right, I'm gonna go to the right because I'm right-handed. You've got this nice little storage area, and then you've got your 2-car tandem. Oh no, sorry. This is a 2-car with, hold on, a 3rd car right here. So this I really like, because normally they're super small, but look how, this is a normal size, even oversized, I think, 3rd car garage. I love this one because a lot of people use it for workout equipment or storage. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here. I just want to show you that 2-car plus the 3rd. So when you walk here, you've got this nice little, I guess it's a bedroom, right? It's a bedroom without a door. See how deep the closet is. Okay, it's just a regular closet. Floating shelves. So they've used this just as a sitting room. Then you have your guest bathroom right here. laundry room, your internet panel. These bathrooms are really nice and big. Okay, so if I go straight here and make a left where the garage is, we've got a linen closet, and then we have another guest bedroom. This designer must have a golden retriever. So there's lots of good pictures of him. So nice size closet. So this is your mid-range, and here we have another Jack and Jill situation. I'm not a huge fan of that, but if you're having guests over, you're not gonna leave all your crap out like I do, then it's fine. Very pretty. Let's just walk here. Wallpaper is back, I guess. I like certain wallpaper. My brother actually hangs really high-end wallpaper in San Francisco for designers, and his stuff is incredible. Okay, another nice closet. All right, this is where I feel the Holy Spirit right here. When I'm like, yes. I used to see these in big homes. So a lot of you that are downsizing have these gorgeous homes in Connecticut, and Long Island, and Jersey. By the way, I did grow up in Long Island. And then you have to downsize, right? But maybe in your library, you have these beautiful tray ceilings, all customized. And that's what Toll Brothers is trying to do, trying to bring in a little luxury into a price point where it makes sense. I mean, we still like nice things, right? So here's my favorite thing, people. Look, 2-inch. I have that at my house. And I'll tell you what, every time somebody walks in, they're like, oh my gosh, I love your countertops. I love me a gas stove. So a separate dining area. I would love having my coffee out here. Again, we have 10-foot ceilings here. And they have a pool. I do like having my own pool, even though there's plenty of amenities. So people ask me all the time, are kids allowed in over 55 community? Well, yeah, of course they are. You know, they can stay, visit, I think is, you know, a couple of months. Okay, here's the pantry. I'll tell you, I love a beautiful pantry. Now they have obviously a built-in here. Yeah, just hold on, we're going out there. But I want to look back into this beautiful hallway. We'll go out there in a second. Okay, and here's the primary suite. And see, here's a beautiful, just kind of neutral, doesn't stand out as much. If you want shiplap on the ceiling, look how beautiful this room is. I was not born with the gift of designing. As a matter of fact, I was not born with many gifts, like I cannot sing at all. How pretty. Okay, if you're sitting here, oh my gosh, you wake up, you're like, how beautiful. You can see your alligators right from your bedroom. No. Of course you're gonna get one or two, and then they're entertaining. People ask me, do you have alligators? Yeah, it's called Florida. Do we have earthquakes in San Francisco? Yeah, I live there too. So it happens. This is so pretty. Look, I love how they did the floors. This is so, it feels good on my feet too. And they really, this designer had great taste. Carried in the countertops from the kitchen. And, oh, I was wondering where that door was. There's a shower door. Like I said, this is a brand new community. They're still getting their models together. They did let me in, and I'm super grateful for that, because Larry and Mary begged me to get out here and get some footage. Look at that. All right, let's go out here. Okay, here's what I want you to notice. These doors are like so well made. There's not any other builder I know, unless you're doing a custom build, that has the quality of doors and windows that Toll Brothers has. They should probably just hire me, but I'd never be a company employee. I'd get fired. Okay, so look at this. You could do a phantom screen right here. Just a screen, an automatic one coming down. And then you've got your beautiful little summer kitchen. If you don't want to have a barbecue, you've built in, you don't need it. They decided to spend all their money on a pool. It's really a spool, right? It's not really a pool. Really pretty. Okay, let's talk about this house. I like it, but you could definitely tell. I mean, I love the tray ceiling, right? It definitely does not compare to the Tomaka, the one that sounds like a sushi roll. That's the largest model, right? Because they could do more. I love the openness of the floor plan here. There really hasn't been one floor plan that I've been through that I'm like, ew, what were they thinking? Really, really like the way that they've redesigned these floor plans because they're a lot different than the ones at the last Regency that I sold at. The nice thing about this model and the other models that I just showed you is it's not like a jigsaw puzzle. I mean, it's so feng shui, everything just kind of flows so beautifully that it doesn't feel like, how did I get in here? You know, that one room in the back is a little weird. We're trying to figure out, what is it? You know, is it a small bedroom? Is it a sitting room? Is it an office? They probably just had some extra spare room and decided, you know what? Let's make this I'm gonna call it my timeout room. And where you just want to take some time and have time out. I'm in here right now. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video and you feel like, hey, you know what? I may want to check out this new community here that's so centrally located and has so many different things. I mean, reach out to me. I got the HOA. It's under $350 a month. They do all of your landscaping. If you're on a 50-foot lot, it's $3,300 a year for your CDD. In California, we call it Mello-Roos. If you are on a 60-foot lot, it's $4,400 a year, right? But like I said, they're only gonna build 132 homes. This is the very first phase. They're giving you a credit for upgrades. They're gonna give you $10,000 towards closing costs if you use their lender. And the lot premiums are ridiculously cheap, $20,000 to $30,000. You get to pick your lot. So if you're interested and want more information on what it would be like to live here, you know, in the Ever Range, the Regency community of Toll Brothers, give me a call. 904-640-8000. Remember, I have my Fly, Drive, and Buy program where I give you a credit towards your traveling expenses. If you want to know more, just give me a call. Thank you. And if you want to see the other videos from Toll Brothers, just keep watching. They're linked below.